Affiliate marketing has been around for years. However, with advances and changes in technology like the rise of mobile devices, affiliate marketing is evolving very fast. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way for a blogger or anyone involved in online marketing to make money by promoting products and services in exchange for a commission from the sales or leads they drive. 5 affiliate marketing blogs every beginner should read are: 1. John Chow. John Chow moved from China to Canada at the age of 7. He survived the dot-com crash and started his first blog in 2005. By 2008, John figured out how to monetize his blog, earned a good amount. 2. Smart Passive Income. Pat Flynn is the man behind the famous blog Smart Passive Income. Pat believes that affiliates, and businesses as a whole, should be both ethical and transparent. Therefore Pat only recommends products that he's passionate and familiar about. 3. Matthew Woodward. Matthew Woodward began his career at the age of 13 when he started reviewing games for a site Nintendo Files. Matthew's blog provides quality advice, tutorials, and case studies based on his experience with online and affiliate marketing that can help you achieve your goals, as opposed to just sharing the offers that bring in the highest commissions. 4. Shoe Money. Shoe Money was founded by Jeremy Shoemaker in 2003. He was named the best affiliate marketing blog by a little publication called Search Engine Journal. Shoe Money has taken affiliate marketing to the next level by publishing his real-life experiences on his Shoe Money blog. 5. Peerfly. Luke Kling started blogging in 2004 and is now the affiliate manager for Peerfly Incorporated. Peerfly is an affiliate ad network that uses custom-built software. His blog is separate from Peerfly Incorporated, but it still provides more than enough advice for affiliate marketers. So these are the 5 affiliate marketing blogs every beginner should read. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various business-related topics such as money, finance, investing, real estate and online businesses. Bye.